Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about trigonometric identities, and here this identity, whatever I am saying, is very useful to find out the higher degree values such as 150, 225, 540 degrees values also from this identity. Here in this identity we will take here the degrees as like this. Here we are taking here 0 degrees. For this 0 degrees, if you are adding 90 degrees, we will get 90 degrees. For 0 I am adding 90, so 0 plus 90 is 90. For this 90 again I am adding 90. What I will get? 90 plus 90 is 180. For this 180 we are adding 90 again, we get 270 degrees. For this 270 you add again 90 degrees, so we get 360 degrees. Here for this 360 also again you can add 90, so that what we will get here? 360 plus 90 is 450 degrees. For this 450 again add 90, so we get 540. For this 540 again add 90, you get 630. For this 630 again add 90, you get 720 degrees. Like that you can take how many number of revolutions you want, you can take that many of revolutions here. Now here we are having here 4 portions. This is first portion, second portion, third portion, fourth portion. Now this is more than this and less than this one. This one portion whatever is there, this is more than 0. If you are taking this one 0, this is more than 0, less than 90, we can say. Here I am using a word theta here, where theta is a representation of angle and theta is called as variable here. Now this one I can write it as more than 0, less than 90. 0 plus theta, if I am writing 0 plus theta is theta only. No need to write 0 plus theta for theta. So I am writing this one is more than 0 degrees and it is also more than 360 degrees. Why? Because 0, 360, 720 all are at the same position. So this is more than, more means plus 360 plus theta we got. Now 720 plus theta also there. 720 plus theta we got here. Now come to this one. This portion is less than 90, means less than means minus 90 minus theta, or you can say this is less than 450 also you can say. So 450 minus theta we can say. Here we took 2 revolutions, so we are getting here 4 values of the theta in each portion. If you are taking 1 revolution, we will get 2 theta values in each portion, but here we are having 2 in each portion. 0 is there, 0, 360, 720. 0 plus theta is theta only, so I am not considering this one, so I take these 2 values here. Now come to this one. This is more than this both, this less than this both, means more than means 90 plus theta, more than 450, so 450 plus theta. Now this portion is less than this both, means 180 minus theta, 540 minus theta we got here. This portion is more than 90, 450, less than 540, 180. Now come to here, this portion. This portion is more than this both, less than this both. So more than means always plus. 180 plus theta, 540 plus theta. Less than this both means 270 minus theta, 630 minus theta we got here. Now this is more than this one, less than this one. More than this means 270 plus theta, 360 plus theta. Now come to here, less than this one means 360 minus theta, 720 minus theta. We got like this. If you are taking 3 revolutions, you will get some more other values, but here always here less than means minus theta, greater than means plus theta we will use here. Now you should remember this word. What is that means? All silver tea cups. This word you should remember. All silver tea cups. If you are remembering this one, so that you will know what are the ratios we will get positive in each part, we can know from this shortcut, all silver tea cups. Here all means all the ratios whatever we are having, all are positive in the first part. What are the ratios we are having? Sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. These all are positive. Positive means plus. All the ratios are positive in the first portion. No negative value will be there in the first portion. Now come to the second portion. Here we are using a word silver. Silver means yes. Yes, with S we are having two ratios. One is sin, next one is sec. So we are having two, no? So let us take two letters here. Yes, I. Yes, I. With SI what we will get here? Only we will get sin. Sin is positive. Sin reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of sin? Here cosec. Sin and cosec both are positive in the second portion. In the second portion we are having sin and cosec are positive. But what about cos, tan, cot, sec? That all are negative in the second portion. Here I am mentioning only the positive values. If you are mentioning here positive values, all the other ratios in the second one will be negative. Now come to here T. T represents tan. Tan reciprocal is cot. This tan and cot both are positive in the third portion. In the third portion, tan, cot both are positive. Here positive means what about the sin, cos, sec, cosec? All are negative. Now come to here cups. Cups is nothing but C here. C we are having cos, cosec, cot. But here cosec completed, here cot completed. But what is the extra one we are having here? Cos. Cos reciprocal is sec. These both are positive in the fourth part. So if these both are positive in the fourth one, what about sin, tan, cot, cosec? All are negative. Here in this one I mentioned only the positive values. All the other ratios are negative, so I did not mention here. So this is the table you should remember very clearly. Now we will use the odd and even things here. Odd, even. Here we will use here odd and even policy to write the ratio in a very easy way. Here even. What are the even things we are having here? 180 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta, 540 plus or minus theta, 720 plus or minus theta, 720 plus or minus theta. Here 180 is a even number, but to see the even or odd number, you neglect the 0 and you compare the other numbers. 18 here, 18 means 18 is a even number. If you are having 270, you neglect the 0. Neglecting the 0, come to this 27. This 27 is odd. So you can say 270 is, I am saying as odd. Actually 270 is even, but here I am considering without this 0, the other values I am considering here. 27 is odd. So I got here 18 is, neglect this 0, 18 is even, 36 is even, 54 is even, 72 is also even. So this all comes under even. So come to the odd. What we will get here in the odd? 90 plus or minus theta. Why? Because neglect this 0, come to 9. 9 is odd number. Here you will get 270 plus or minus theta. Why? Because if you are neglecting 0, 27 is odd value. Here next we will get 450 plus or minus theta. Next we get 360 plus or minus theta in the odd places. Here in the 630 we are neglecting the 0 and we are seeing only the value of 63 without considering this 0. If you are taking 630, 630 will be even only, but I am neglecting this 0 and watching this 63. 63 is a odd, so I am writing in the odd portion. Here whenever you are having an odd value, in the place of sign we will write cos. In the place of sign we will write cos. In the place of cos we write sin. Similarly, in the place of tan we write cot. In the place of cot we write tan. In the place of sec we write cosec. In the place of cosec we write sec. Here whenever you are having odd values, in the place of sin we are writing cos, not cosec. Cosec is a reciprocal of sin, but here we are not writing the cosec. We are writing in the place of sin we are writing cos. In the place of cos we are writing sin. In the place of tan we are writing cot. Cot, tan, sec, cosec. Cosec, sec. When we will write like this? When the terms are odd. If the terms are even, in the place of sin we write sin only. Cos is cos only. Tan is tan only. Cot is cot. Sec is sec. Cosec is cosec only. Here remember these two perfectly so that we can solve many of the problems by using this identity. How we can solve the problems means, if you want to know the value of the higher values other than 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, we use these two things to find the value of the higher degrees. If you are having sin 540 like this, if you want to know the value of sin 540, do you know how to find out here? We don't know the value of 540 degrees. So what we will do? We write this one in the form of 540 degrees is there, no? We will write it as 450 plus 90. We will write. Here sin is there. Come to this 45. 45 is even or odd. 45 is odd. Whenever odd is there, in the place of sin, what we will write here? Cos we will write. So in the place of sin, Here 45 is there. I will write cos, and this value whatever is there I will copy just here. Here 90 is there. I will copy here 90. If it is 20, I will copy 20. If it is k, I will copy k. If it is a, b, whatever is there here, I will copy here in the same way. Now you see 450 plus something is there, means theta. 450 plus theta. Where is 450 plus theta in this box? 450 plus theta is here. 450 plus theta is in the second part. Here 450 plus theta is plus or minus in the second one. You see sine is plus, cosec is plus. Sine, cosec both are plus. Here we are having sine. You should see the question, not the changed one. The previous question, whatever you are having, that you should see here. In the question we are having sine. This sine is there in this one. Sine is there. Here sine is there. Here also sine is there. If you are having, you will keep plus. If you are not having here, we will keep here minus. Here sine 540 is there. 540 sine I am writing as 450 plus 90. Sine is there. Sine 45. Sine is 45 is odd. So I am writing here cos. This one 90 copying as it is. Sine 450 plus theta is in second part. Sine is there in a question. So this sine question only we should see, not this cos. Question sine is there here. Yes, sine and cosec. In sine and cosec we are having sine. So I am keeping here plus. Now plus the value of cos 90 we already know. The value of cos 90 is 0. Here plus 0 is nothing but 0 only. So we can say the value of sine 540 is 0. If you want to know the shortcut of the values of 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees, I did a previous video. The video link is given in the description. So watch that video so that you can understand very clearly about the values of the ratios. Here you can write the sine 540 in this way, or you can write like this also. Sine 540 you can convert it as like this also. Sine 540 plus 0 also you can write here. Sine 540 plus 0, here 54. 54 is what here? 54 is even. Even is there means in the place of sine we will write sine itself. So here sine is there, 54 is even. In the place of sine I am writing sine only. Here 0 is there, just to copy that 0. Now 540 plus theta. Plus 0 means theta only. 540 plus theta. Where is 540 plus theta? Here is there. 540 plus theta is here. In 540 plus theta, what we are having positive here? Tan is positive, cot is positive. Tan and cot both are positive in the third portion. But you see the question. Question is here sine. Sine is there in these both? Not there. So just keep minus if it is not there. If it is there, you keep plus. So minus sine 0 we got. Minus sine 0 value. What is the value of sine 0? Is 0 only. Here for 0 you will not have minus value, plus value. So minus 0 is nothing but 0 only. Here we got 0. Here we got 0. Here the question itself we wrote in two forms. The two forms are different, but the solutions are same. If you are having like this sine 90 minus k, if you are having to convert this one into cos, how we can convert the sine value into cos? Just you see here, sine is there, here 90. Whenever sine 90 means here, you remove this, you will get here 9. 9 is odd. When odd is there, in the place of sine, what we will write here? Cos we will write. Cos I wrote. Here sine 90 is there, 9 is odd here, so in the place of sin I wrote here cos. Here k is there, I am copying that k here. 90 minus k is nothing but theta. 90 minus theta is first part here. 90 minus theta here is there, first part. Here in this first part all is there. All means sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, all are positive. Here sign is there in the question. Question itself you should see, not the answer. Here in the question we are having sign. This sign is having here. Yes, it is having. So you can keep it as plus. If you are saying sin 90 minus k or plus cos k, both are same. If you are having one more question like this, here sec 270 plus 20 is there. Sec 270 plus 20. How to write this one? Let us see here. Here sec is there, okay. 270 is there. 270 is nothing but here 27. 27 is odd. 27 is odd. In the place of sec, what we will write here? Cosec we will write. Here in the place of sec, 27 is odd. I will write it as cosec. Here whatever is there, just you copy it. Just you copy that one. Here 20 is there, I copied here. 270 plus theta. 20 is nothing but you take it as theta. 270 plus theta. Where is 270 plus theta? Here. Here 270 plus theta is there. Here 270 plus theta. What we are having positive here? Cos, sec. Both are positive in the fourth part. Here you see the question. In the question you are having sec here. This sec is having here or not, you should see here. Here cos is there, here sec is there. Sec is there, here sec is there. So you can keep it as here plus. If you are seeing this cosec with this sec and cos, you will get wrong answer. Just you should observe the question sec is there here or not. Here cos sec. Question sec is there here. So I am keeping here plus. If you are observing this answer with this both, you will get minus. So it will be wrong. So sec 270 plus 20 or plus cosec 20, both are same values we will have here. But I am not writing here the value of cosec 20. Here what I want to say from this identity means, here if you are having the higher values, we can find out the higher values of the each and every ratio from this identity. And also I am telling here how to convert the one ratio into another ratio. I explained from this identity. Here sin 90 minus k or cos k, both represent the same. Here sec 270 plus 20 or plus cosec 20, both are same values. Here we learned how to find out the higher values and how to convert one ratio into another ratio. From this identity only we can know. For that you should remember this box, and here odd and even things you should remember. Here 90 plus or minus theta or 270 plus or minus theta, 450 plus or minus theta, 630 plus or minus theta comes under odd ones. The even ones we will have 180 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta, 540 plus or minus theta, 720 plus or minus theta in the even things we are having. Here when odd is there, in the place of sign we will write cos, not cosec. Cosec is reciprocal, but we will write in the place of sign we will write cos. Cos we will write sin. Tan we will write cot. Cot we will write tan. Sec we will write cosec. Cosec we will write sec. But in the even, in the place of sin we will write sin. Cos we will write cos. Tan we will write tan. Cot we will write cot. Sec is sec. Cosec is cosec. But while you are keeping the sign of plus or minus, you should see the question ratio. By seeing the question ratio itself, you should keep plus or minus, not the answer ratio. If you are observing the answer ratio and keeping the plus or minus, it will be wrong. Always observe the question ratio and keep the sign of plus or minus. If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.